Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and card so the read is reliable. First, make sure your iPhone model supports background NFC reads and that iOS is updated. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, enable Bluetooth and NFC toggles in settings and unlock the device. Some apps require the screen on to initiate a tag session. Place the NFC card near the top center of the back of your iPhone and open the target app. This begins the pairing handshake. You now perform the actual link using the app that will store the card data. Open the app's card management, choose Add Card or Read Tag, and follow prompts. These usually request a name, permissions, or a small payload to write. Make sure to hold the card steady over the phone's NFC zone. The read process writes or retrieves identifiers and verifies integrity. If the app requests verification, complete any PIN or authentication so the phone binds the tag to your account. You finish by verifying the link and testing behavior to ensure reliability. After the app shows success, tap the card to the iPhone again to trigger the assigned action. This verifies read/write and permissions. Make sure the saved card name, ID, and any linked service appear correctly in app settings because mismatches indicate a partial write. If something goes wrong, remove cases, reposition the card, restart the app, and retry. This solves the most common NFC handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.